Alright, so welcome to your third tutorial on installing Fedora. So what you want to do is go to Start, open up VirtualBox right here. So this comes up, you're going to create a new machine, right? We've already downloaded Fedora, we've already downloaded VirtualBox, we've already, what else have we done? We have already created the virtual machine though. See, I had to delete the virtual machine for a second, so I'm just gonna go through this really quickly. Ignore this, okay? Just if you haven't done this yet, watch the other videos. You're gonna give this 10 gigabytes of hard drive space. Just so you know, before installing it, make sure you increase the hard drive space, because I made a mistake. It has to have at least 10 gigabytes of hard drive space. It must, okay? I gave it 8 gigabytes, which was a problem. So you're gonna start the machine, and click on start. That usually does not happen. It happens the first time. So fatal mode, bootable device, medium device found, small. So that's what a lot of you are gonna have. Choose a virtual CD, DVD, disk file. Alright, so you're gonna click on Fedora. You're gonna go to where you found it. You're gonna click on Fedora, live desktop. You're gonna open this up. Okay. Like 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then power this off, okay? And I start this up again. Alright. Now, you don't want to interrupt Fedora 17. After the installation, if you want to, you can delete this, but this is basically the installation disk. I usually sometimes keep it. It might, if it goes to the setup again, just shut it down, delete Fedora, okay? Once you install it, if it goes back to the setup, just shut it down and delete Fedora. Put it in the trash can, move it somewhere else where Fedora cannot find it. Do not go to devices and pick that out, okay? So I'm gonna pause the video until this completely loads. Alright, so I got this error message, so I'm just gonna click on logout. It shouldn't affect it. Now here comes Fedora. I'm gonna pause this and wait for the system installation to load. By the way, I'm just gonna switch to full screen because I like full screen. That way I don't have to scroll. Okay, so once system install comes up, I'm going to come back with the video. Actually, I just got another error message. So I'm just going to ignore this and close it. I don't think it should affect it. If you got the error message, just ignore it. It really shouldn't affect it. Okay, so the installer just came up. I'm just going to click on install to hard drive. You see, if you want to try Fedora, you can try it, but it's not going to be installed on your hard drive. And yeah, I'll pause that until it comes up. Alright, so the installer just came up. US English, the keyboard for me. You pick out your own, okay? If you're living somewhere in like China, I have no idea how you're understanding me, then you click your whatever keyboard. Okay. Basic storage devices, that's it. That's the one you want to use if you're installing it on a virtual machine. It's examining the storage devices. This might take a while, so I'm just gonna pause the video. Alright, so now it's showing that it contains data. So discard any data because you really don't have any data on your hard drive. Alright, so you're gonna have to create a name for your computer right now. I'm just gonna name mine Pi. Okay? Then next. And this takes a while, so oh wait, it's back. Okay, Eastern time, so that's where I live in New York. Okay, new password. Okay, and next replace existing. Okay. So you're gonna click the first one, right? And instead of examining storage devices, this might take a while, so I'm gonna pause the video again. A warning, confirmation thing comes up. So write changes to disk, A data, all the other stuff you're responsible for, but there isn't anything in there. Hopefully, I'm just hoping that you did not put anything in there. Do not put anything in the file before you start. Do not put the ISO file inside there. It's gonna delete everything inside, and it's gonna destroy the virtual machine. This is why I love a virtual machine. You see, virtual machines, you're really not destroying anything. You're destroying the virtual machine. If there's a virus in the virtual machine, it's in the virtual machine. You can delete the virtual machine and create another one. That's what I love about it. So I'm just gonna pause it. Alright, now we have the official Fedora installer working. So this might take a while. And I have to go somewhere, so I'll be back. So currently Fedora is in its post-installation status. It's installing boot on the bootloader right now, so we'll just wait and see what happens. I thought it would finish by now, but I mean, I've been doing this for half an hour, but I mean, Windows installation takes a lot longer sometimes. So it's Mac. So okay, so right now the installation is complete, and I'm just gonna reboot. Yeah, I'm gonna reboot. He told me to reboot, and so I might as well videotape this one to reboot. So it really shouldn't matter. You should get out of starting Fedora 17. Let me just hope that it doesn't go back to the setup. Okay. If it goes back to setup, I'm going to have to okay, it's loading. Okay, so it's going pretty fast. If it goes back to setup, I'm going to have to close it and then delete the ISO file, which I really don't want to do, or move it somewhere. I'll move it somewhere. Okay. I'm gonna pause this until the boot up is over. So it looks like it went back to the setup menu. So what you're going to do if it goes back to the setup menu is you're going to go here, power off, okay. And right now it's powering off. Okay, powered off now. What you want to do is you want to move this somewhere else. So I'm going to probably create another folder called Linux, and I'm gonna slide this in here, slide this in here, put this to the side. Now you're gonna have to start the machine up. Cancel. Okay, it just stopped working. So I'm just going to go back, open one. Ignore. Okay, so I know why that happened. Okay, you're gonna start this machine. Okay. Yeah, you're gonna boot from Fedora Linux. Okay, so the Linux is actually loading up right now. Just wait. I'll pause it until it loads up. Okay. So I'm running out of time. You see, here's the welcome screen. There was an error thing, but I just ignored it because I really don't care. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, rate, tell your friends, share this. Please spread the word. If this helped you out, please spread the word. Share this somewhere, somehow. It'll like really make my day. So I mean, I don't have any ads right now because I don't want to advertise anything unless like Google ads and stuff. So please comment, subscribe, rate, whatever. Just it'll make my day. Please. Thank you very much for watching.